Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern time. It's a very busy week coming up. We've got earnings, we've got family money trades, we've got a lot of great events that I'm sure you'll be interested in learning about and trading with us here at 10-Minute Trades. So let's get started. All right, Monday at 11:30 a.m. we start out in the trade room with the WASDE report. That's a family money trade. 9:15 p.m. we'll be back in the trade room with the wage price index. 9:15 p.m. on Monday. The WASDE report will be our first stream of the week on YouTube. Tuesday at 2 a.m. no trade room for British average earnings, which is their jobs report, the claimant count change. That's a 2 a.m. event. And a new event that I've put on the weekly schedule, 5 a.m. on Tuesdays, the German zoo report. If you have data for the DAX or the FESX, that's a report that can move those markets, which are a German report, the zoo report. So keep an eye on that. Tuesday at 5:45 in the morning, we'll start in the trade room for Home Depot earnings, a family money trade. Back at 8 a.m. for core PPI, our stream of the day. And then 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. That's a family money trade. As is, by the way, the Home Depot earnings are a family money trade. And then we'll finish out the day on Tuesday at 9:30 p.m. with the New Zealand rate statement. Wednesday, 2 a.m. we have the British core CPI, PPI, no trade room on that event. 5 a.m. the European flash employment and flash GDP. No trade room for that event. Our first event on Wednesday is at 8 a.m. for core CPI. That's a YouTube stream of the day. Back at 10 a.m. on Wednesday for crude oil inventories. 3:30 p.m. for Cisco earnings. 7:50 p.m. no trade room for Japanese GDP, but we'll finish out the day on Wednesday in the trade room, 9:15 p.m. for Australia's employment report. There is a 10 o'clock Chinese retail sales industrial production report that we'll just be watching, no trade room. And then 2 a.m. on Thursday, no room for British GDP, production, industrial production, and manufacturing production. Thursday, we start at 6 a.m. for John Deere's earnings and Walmart's earnings. Back at 8 a.m. for retail sales, unemployment claims, Empire State, and Philly Fed. We will be streaming that on YouTube. 9:15, no trade room for industrial production and capacity utilization. We're going to start watching that report again to see if it moves the markets. We used to trade it. It stopped having much of an impact. 10 a.m. Thursday, we'll be back in the room for natural gas storage, and then 11:30 a.m. for Nopa Crush, a family money trade. Friday, we've got two events to finish out a pretty busy week. 8 a.m. for building permits and housing starts, and then 9:30 a.m. for preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment, which is our final YouTube stream of the week. So a pretty busy week. As I see it, we've got 4 family money trades, a couple of excellent earning trades, CPI and PPI. Should be a great week. Keep an eye on your email, the links to become a pro member if you're not already a member. And I'll see you soon in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Thanks for listening.